The Great ETF Showdown. Imagine you're picking between two piggy banks for your savings. One, called VIG, grows your money slowly but surely, like planting a tree that gets bigger every year. The other, SCHD, gives you cash to spend right away, like a lemonade stand that pays you every day. Emphatic. Both are great, but they work differently. Concerned. Picking the wrong one could mean less money for your future, like missing out on a new bike or even your college fund. Let's break it down so you can decide which one's best for you. Meet the piggy banks, VIG and SCHD. VIG, the growing tree. Thoughtful. The Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIG, is like a tree that keeps growing bigger apples every year. It invests in big, strong companies like Microsoft, they make Xbox, Johnson & Johnson, think Band-Aids, and Visa, the card your parents use to buy stuff. Explaining, these companies pay a small amount of money, called a dividend, every year, and they promise to pay a little more each time. VIG gives you about 1.7% of your money back as dividends each year. Emphatic. It's not a lot at first, but it adds up over time, like saving your allowance for years to buy something big. The lemonade stand. Energetic. The Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, SCHD, is like a lemonade stand that pays you a lot right now. It picks companies like Verizon, they help your phone work, IBM, they make computers, and Pfizer, they make medicines. Excited. These companies pay a bigger dividend, about 3.7% a year, which is more than double VIG's. Thoughtful. If you want cash to spend today, SCHD is tempting. Concerned. But sometimes these companies can be risky, like a lemonade stand getting rained out. Summarizing. So, VIG is slow and steady, while SCHD gives you money faster. Curious. Which one's better? Eager. Let's find out. How do they stack up? Who makes more money over time? Explaining, over the last 10 years, both VIG and SCHD have grown your money by about 11–12% each year. Surprised. That's like turning $100 into $300 in 10 years. Thoughtful. They're super close, but VIG sometimes does a tiny bit better because it picks companies that grow faster like tech giants. Last year, VIG was a little ahead, but it can change depending on what's happening in the world. Are they safe? Calm. VIG is like riding a bike with training wheels. It's pretty safe. Reassuring. Its companies are super strong, so your money doesn't bounce up and down too much. Thoughtful. SCHD is more like skateboarding. Sounds is more like skateboarding. It's fun but riskier. In 2022, Sounds lost 25% of its value at one point because its companies, like energy and banks, don't like it when things get expensive. VIG lost less, making it a smoother ride. Dividends. Who pays more? VIG grows its dividends by 7–8% every year. If you get $1 today, you might get $1.08 next year, then $1.16 the year after. It's small but keeps growing. SCHD grows its dividends faster, about 10–11% a year, and starts with a bigger amount. So, you get more cash right away, like $3.70 for every $100 you invest. SCHD pays more now, but VIG's slow growth can catch up if you wait long enough. Watch out for these traps. SCHD's risks. Missing big winners. SCHD doesn't own super hot companies like Nvidia, they make gaming chips, or Apple. If those companies do well, SCHD might fall behind. Sensitive to changes. SCHD's companies, like banks and energy firms, can lose value if prices go up or the economy gets tough. VIG's risks. Too careful. VIG only picks companies that have paid more dividends for 10 years straight. That means it misses newer, exciting companies that could grow faster. Smaller payouts. If things get expensive, like food or toys, VIG's smaller dividends might not keep up. Who's cheaper to own? Both ETFs cost almost nothing to own, about 0.06% a year. That's like paying 6 cents for every $100 you invest. But there's a catch. SCHD might make you pay more taxes because it buys and sells companies more often. VIG is better for keeping taxes low since it holds companies for a long time. If you're saving in a regular account, not a special retirement one, VIG might save you money on taxes. Who should pick each one? Choose SCHD if you want cash now, like for pocket money or helping your family. Like companies in banking or energy that pay big dividends. Don't mind if your money goes up and down a bit. Choose VIG if you want to save for something big in the future, like college or a car. Like safer companies in tech and healthcare. Want to keep more of your money by paying less in taxes. The smartest move. Why not both? Thoughtful. Instead of picking one, you could split your money between VIG and SCHD. Excited. Here's why. SCHD gives you cash to spend now. VIG helps your money grow for the future. Reassuring. Together, they cover different types of companies, so you're safer if one group struggles. In the past, mixing VIG and SCHD has sometimes done better than picking just one. It's like having both a savings account and a piggy bank. A word of warning. Thoughtful. Both VIG and SCHD focus on older, established companies. Short pause. If the future is all about new tech, like robots or AI, they might not grow as fast as other investments. To be ready for anything, you could add something like VOO, which follows the whole stock market, or QQQ, which loves tech companies, to your plan. Show who wins. If you want money to spend today, SCHD is your champion. If you're saving for something big years from now, VIG is the hero. Thoughtful. The smartest move? Use both to balance cash and growth. Energetic. What do you think? Team VIG or Team SCHD? Excited? Tell us in the comments. Want to learn more about how to mix these ETFs or discover other cool investments? Follow us for more